Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm at Istanbul airport, going back to UK. I'm not gonna lie, it's quite hot in here. I have to take off my hoodie and we're just gonna go for food now. Did all my check-ins. I'm not gonna lie, security was a bit annoying as well. I was told to turn on my mic. When I did, the guy just sat down and told me to turn it off for no reason, so that got me angry as well. So we're not just going to our food and then get our flight. So I just ordered my meal, which is the best Texas Smokehouse burger. Let's dig in. Hello. So that's my plane, Lufthansa A320 Sharklets, parked next to the beauty 777 and a couple of Turkish birds in the background. And we got Saudi Airlines A320 as well, preparing for a flight to Saudi Arabia. Not too sure which city, but it is going for taxiing to the runway. We are now boarding, going in the plane. A few planes are taxiing as well, but that one just landed. Hey guys, here I am in the plane now. She seems to be a flight again. And once again it's the A320 Sharklets, which they operate this flight to Istanbul and other destinations. And let me just show you around. People are still boarding. No IFE, so I'll come passenger next to me. My favorite window seat as always, parked next to Turkish birds. So yeah, we'll show you more when it's taxiing to the runway and then take off.
Weitere Informationen zum Gebrauch elektronischer Geräte an Bord finden Sie im Lufthansa-Magazin. Gemeinsam mit meinen Kolleginnen und Kollegen wünsche ich Ihnen einen angenehmen Aufenthalt an Bord. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to add my welcome to that of our captain. My name is Sonja Vollmer-Engelhardt and I'm responsible for the cabin service on your flight today. Kindly make sure that your hand baggage is placed safely and does not block an aisle or emergency exit. Laptops must be switched off and stowed in your hand baggage. You may keep lighter devices such as mobile phones or tablets in your hands. Please fasten your seatbelt now and pull it tight. We expect our flight time to be 2 hours and 25 minutes. Please make certain that your mobile phones and all other devices with transmission function are either switched to flight mode or switched off completely. You may use the Bluetooth function throughout the flight. For more details about using electronic devices on board, please read the information in your Lufthansa magazine. My colleagues and I hope to make your stay with us and relaxed. Liebe Passagiere, und nun noch ein paar Hinweise zu Ihrer Sicherheit. Ladies and gentlemen, we would now like to acquaint you with the safety procedures on board. Wir zeigen Ihnen jetzt, wie Sie Ihren Sitzgurt schließen und öffnen können. Your seatbelt is fastened and unfastened like this. Sollte der Druck in der Kabine sinken, fallen automatisch Sauerstoffmasken aus der Kabinendecke. Ziehen Sie eine der Masken ganz zu sich herunter, um den Sauerstofffluss zu starten. Drücken Sie sie dann auf Mund und Nase und streifen Sie das elastische Band über Ihren Kopf. Danach helfen Sie Kindern und Personen, die Hilfe benötigen. In the unlikely event of a loss in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically Da jederzeit unerwartet Turbulenzen auftreten können, sind Sie verpflichtet, sich anzuschnallen, sobald Sie Ihren Sitzplatz eingenommen haben. Dies dient Ihrer eigenen Sicherheit und gilt auch dann, wenn die Anschnallzeichen ausgeschaltet sind. Sollten Sie während des Fluges ein Gepäckfach öffnen, achten Sie bitte darauf, dass keine Gegenstände herausfallen können. Dear passengers, as turbulence can occur unexpectedly at any time, you're required to fasten your seatbelt whenever you're seated. This is in the interest of your own safety and applies even when the seatbelt signs are switched off. If you open an overhead bin during the flight, please make sure that items cannot fall out.
So finally this time we got halal chicken because we're flying from Turkey, so they serve halal anyway. But from Frankfurt to Istanbul wasn't halal chicken, but this time we got it. So yeah, let's just dig in. So we're going through a turbulence, which is quite minor. Woke me up as well.
Frankfurter Rhein-Main-Flughafen. Bitte bleiben Sie so lange angeschnallt sitzen, bis die Anschnallzeichen ausgeschaltet wurden. Im Namen von Kapitän Schlosser und der gesamten Besatzung möchte ich mich hier von Ihnen verabschieden. Falls Sie Ihre Uhr auf die Ortszeit hier in Frankfurt stellen möchten, es ist jetzt 16:07 Uhr. Wir danken Ihnen, dass Sie heute Lufthansa und die Star Alliance für Ihre Reise gewählt haben. Wir hoffen, dass Ihnen dieser Flug mit uns gefallen hat und freuen uns, Sie bald wieder einmal an Bord begrüßen zu dürfen. Wir wünschen Ihnen nun noch einen schönen Tag hier in Frankfurt oder eine angenehme und sichere Weiterreise. Vielen Dank, schönes Wochenende und bis zum nächsten Mal. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Frankfurt Airport. Please remember to keep your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. On behalf of Captain Schlosser and the entire crew, we would like to say goodbye to you now. If you wish to set your watch to local time here in Frankfurt, it is now 4:08 p.m. We thank you for having chosen to travel with Lufthansa and Star Alliance. We hope you enjoyed this flight with us and we look forward to welcoming you again on board soon. Please take care when you open the overhead bins as items may have moved and could fall out. Please also check your seat pockets to make sure that you do not forget any personal items. We wish you a very pleasant day here in Frankfurt or an enjoyable and safe onward journey. Thank you. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye und auf Wiedersehen. Seatbelt. Bitte wieder hinsetzen und anschnallen. Hinsetzen und anschnallen. Sit down and fasten your seatbelt now.
Meine Damen und Herren, solange Sie sich nicht wieder hinsetzen, können wir leider nicht weiterrollen. Ladies and gentlemen, as long as you don't sit down, we cannot continue taxi.
guys, so we've just landed at Frankfurt airport now, rushing to our gate for the next flight to Birmingham. Yeah, thanks to my sister for getting me there. My ears are blocked, so I don't know if I'm talking loud or no. See you soon. Hey guys, so this is our second flight now. Sorry about the wait. So this is our second flight now that we had to rush towards our flight. Apparently the plane parked forward, there was police as well, and then security time as well, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, we finally going to a plane. My sister just hold the flight as well. So yeah, luckily I got my favorite seat.
We had the tour at the airport because the plane parked far.
Yeah, let me just talk. I'm doing the talking. All he did was hold the flight, that's it. So yeah, she held the flight, and now we're in the plane. Quite empty, only 80 passengers, and as compared to last time, I finally got my seat again. Last time I had 16F, this time I got 15F, so which is wing view, much better as well. So yeah, can't wait for a taxi and then take off. So there are my two luggages, the red one and the blue one. Red with more flowery type, and more luggages came as well. So I believe this flight is going to be delayed. Don't know how delayed it's going to be, but with the baggage loading, that's going to take more time for a pushback and a takeoff.
Stellen Sie bitte auf den Rückenlehnen der Senkrecht, klappen Sie die Tische zurück und öffnen Sie die Sonnenblenden. Vielen Dank. And preparation takeoff, please now make sure that your back passes off forward, your chain is faded away and your window shade raised. Thank you. angeschnallt, weil sie ihren Sitzplatz eingenommen haben. Es gilt selbstverständlich auch dann, wenn die Anschnallzeichen ausgeschaltet wurden. Sollten Sie während des Fluges ein Gepäckfach öffnen, achten Sie wieder darauf, dass keine Gegenstände herausfallen können. Ladies and gentlemen, this term is going to come unexpected any time. You are required to fasten the seatbelt whenever you're seated. This is an interest in your own safety and applies even when the seatbelt sign is switched on. If you open an overhead bin during the flight, please make sure that items come up from the lounge. Wir möchten Sie auch darauf hinweisen, sich unbedingt bei der Kabinenplatz zu melden. Sollte ein elektronisches Gerät während des Aufenthalts an Bord beschädigt sein, heiß werden oder zu rauchen beginnen. Vielen Dank. If an electronic device damage becomes overheated or begins to smoke during your stay on board, it is very important that you contact the crew member immediately. Thank you.
Because it's a short flight from Germany to UK, they serve snacks. So this time, same all again. I went for cheese sandwich, so I got 2 with the Coke and orange juice. And it looks like we're not above the clouds this time. Yeah. Herzlich willkommen auf dem Flughafen von Birmingham, meine Damen und Herren. Bitte bleiben Sie noch so lange angeschnallt sitzen,
bis wir unsere endgültige Parkposition erreicht haben. Kapitän Schäfer und die gesamte Crew verabschieden sich hier von Ihnen. Wir bedanken uns recht herzlich, dass Sie für Ihre heutige Reise die Lufthansa Sharklets gewählt haben und hoffen, Sie bald wieder auf einem unserer Flüge begrüßen zu dürfen. Falls Sie Ihre Uhren noch auf Ortszeit umstellen möchten, hier in Birmingham ist es jetzt 6 Uhr, 18 Uhr abends. Lufthansa welcomes you to the airport of Birmingham, ladies and gentlemen. Please remain seated with seatbelt fastened until we've reached our final parking position. Captain Schäfer and the entire crew would like to say goodbye to you here. Thank you sincerely for having chosen Lufthansa Sharklets for your journey day and hope to see you soon. If you wish to set your watches to local time, it is 6 p.m. here in Birmingham. Bitte öffnen Sie nach Erreichen der Parkposition die Staufächer über den Sitzen vorsichtig, damit keine Gegenstände herausfallen können. Und schauen Sie auch noch einmal ganz gewissenhaft in Ihre Sitztaschen, um sicher zu gehen, dass Sie keine persönlichen Gegenstände oder Wertsachen an Bord vergessen haben. Wir wünschen Ihnen nur noch einen schönen verbleibenden Abend hier in Birmingham oder gegebenenfalls eine angenehme und natürlich auch sichere Weiterreise. Vielen Dank und auf Wiedersehen. After we reach our final point, please take care when you open the overhead bins as items may have moved and could fall out. Please also check your seat pocket to make sure that you do not forget any personal items or valuables. We wish you now a pleasant remaining afternoon here in Birmingham, an enjoyable, safe onward journey. Thank you so much, bye bye and auf Wiedersehen.
Hey guys, so I've just landed in Birmingham now. My ears are blocked. Flight was really good, I'm not gonna lie. Had a friendly cabin crew as well, and now waiting for packages at the plane. At the moment they're not here yet, but see, plenty of people here as well. So yeah, coming to get home and then have a tea, rest, probably play my new game which is Stopover, so I'll show you that as well. Coming home to this, so I'll tell you about this story later on, but let me just tell you about my journey. So yeah, hey guys, I'm back in UK, glad to be back, and I'm really happy as well. As soon as I got the plane, honestly guys, it was really hot, I'm not gonna lie to you. and it was a very good flight, to be honest with you. Smooth flight, not that much turbulence from Frankfurt to Birmingham, although there was a bit quite turbulence from Istanbul to Frankfurt. And as I'm home now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a quick shower, make an unboxing video, and I'm going to tell you the reason why I bought this game. So there's a reason behind it. Okay, then I'm going to unbox it, install the game, and I'm going to start playing as well. So yeah guys, I hope you've enjoyed my flight report video as well. Please do give a thumbs up as well to the video, and a like as well, similar to thumbs up, right? And then, you know, subscribe for more videos, as more games are coming as well, so I'll be purchasing them as well. And no other holidays booked yet so far. You know, if there is, I will let you guys know as well. And that's about it really. So yeah, I would like to end this video by saying thank you very much once again. I want you guys to enjoy your weekend, have a good weekend, and see you guys soon. Take care, goodbye, and love.